Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy a tiny house, follow these step-by-step instructions to navigate this alternative housing option and make an informed purchase. Step 1. Determine what type of tiny house you want. A stationary foundation model that stays in one place, or a tiny house on wheels that offers mobility and often faces fewer zoning restrictions. Step 2. Set your budget, including the purchase price, land costs if needed, utilities setup, insurance, taxes, and ongoing maintenance. Tiny houses typically range from $30,000 to $100,000, depending on size and features. Step 3. Research zoning laws and building codes in your desired location, as many areas have minimum square footage requirements or restrictions on tiny houses. Some areas are tiny house friendly, while others prohibit them entirely. Step 4. Decide whether to buy a pre-built tiny house from a manufacturer, purchase a used tiny house, or build your own. Each option has different costs, timelines, and customization possibilities. Step 5. Find land where you can legally place your tiny house, whether that's your own property, a tiny house community, an RV park, or private land where the owner permits tiny houses. Step 6. Secure financing if needed, though note that traditional mortgages don't typically cover tiny houses. Options include personal loans, RV loans for houses on wheels, or specialized tiny house financing from certain lenders. Step 7. Inspect the tiny house thoroughly, checking the quality of construction, materials used, electrical and plumbing systems, insulation, and ensuring it meets safety codes and your needs for comfortable living. Step 8. Arrange transportation and setup, including hiring professional movers for tiny houses on wheels, connecting utilities, and ensuring proper foundation or anchoring for your tiny home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.